Before you sell or give away your iPhone, it's crucial to erase all of your data to protect your personal information. In this video, we're going to guide you through the importance of wiping your device clean and ensuring that none of your sensitive data, like contacts, messages, photos, or app data, can be accessed by the new owner. We'll also cover the steps that you need to take to securely erase your data and discuss a very reliable third-party tool that can help you ensure that your iPhone is completely wiped and ready for its new life in someone else's hands. Welcome back, everyone, to the Wondershare Dr.Fone channel. My name is Francisco, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about why people go to third-party software to make sure that they completely wipe their device, and we will walk you through how to erase your data very easily. So please make sure to subscribe because there's a lot more content coming down the pipeline soon. Let's go ahead and dive right in. Part 1. Why would you need alternate methods of deleting data? So here are going to be the most important reasons as to why a lot of people prefer to use third-party software to delete all of their iPhone data. Third-party tools aren't designed to completely wipe data, making it unrecoverable, which is essential for those selling or giving away their devices. This level of security goes beyond the standard factory reset by ensuring that no personal information can be retrieved at all. So many third-party software options offer a more intuitive and streamlined process for data deletion, which appeals to users who may find Apple's built-in options less straightforward. Unlike the iPhone's native features, which generally focus on full resets, third-party tools often allow users to selectively erase specific types of data, such as messages or photos, while retaining others. Some third-party apps include additional features like multiple overwrite processes, which comply with international data erasure standards, providing users with peace of mind. These tools often come bundled with other features like data backup and recovery, making them a one-stop solution for managing iPhone data comprehensively. Part 2. How to completely delete all iPhone data. Wondershare Dr.Fone offers a versatile set of features for managing your iPhone's data, including data recovery, backup, and system repair. However, one of its standout features is the ability to permanently delete iPhone data, ensuring that your personal information is completely erased and unrecoverable. This is particularly useful when you're preparing to sell or give away your device. Dr.Fone's secure deletion process goes beyond a simple factory reset by overwriting your data multiple times, making it an essential tool for safeguarding your privacy. Now let me walk you through how to delete all of your data for good right now. Launch Dr.Fone after installing it across your computer. Following this, select Data Eraser from the main homepage and connect your iPhone to the computer using a lightning cable. As the device is recognized, you will find 3 different options in front of you. Select Erase All Data from the options. Once you are done selecting the mode, you need to set a security level defining the status of the data erasing facility across Dr.Fone. The tool provides 3 different levels, which are high, medium, and low. Once you've chosen one, type in the confirmation code to confirm the execution of the process. Tap on Erase Now after adding the code. The process takes a while to complete. As all data is removed, you will find a confirmation pop-up on the screen. And from here, all the data across your iPhone is removed completely. So from here, you should be good to go. And now you're free to either give away your phone or sell it if that's what you're looking forward to, without worrying that your data can be accessed by anybody at all. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way up to the very end. If you liked this video, please make sure to leave us a like and comment any of your questions and thoughts down below. Also, please make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content just like this, and hit the notification bell to stay updated every time a new video comes out. Until next time, have a great day.